Hello everyone, I'm Lokesh here. Welcome back to CADD Nest. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to use the design software Catia V5. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CADD Nest YouTube channel.
Here I'll be going for part design. Under part design, again I'll be going for sketching mode itself. The next set of commands we are having is transformation commands. Let us see one by one. For that, I'll be taking a simple sketch like this. The first command we are having is mirror option. That is, in order to mirror your sketch with the center line, you will be going for mirror option. So I'll be selecting this sketch, go for mirror and select a center line. Like this, we'll be using a mirror option. In order to get your sketch mirrored with reference to the center axis, we'll be going for mirror option. The same way we have symmetric option. Let us see how symmetric option will work. I'll delete this command. Go for symmetric, select your curve and select a center line. So I'll be selecting this center line. Now you can see the sketch has been getting symmetric. So the major difference between mirror and symmetric option is mirror is used like a copy paste option and symmetric option is used like a cut and paste option. The existing component will move to the other end of a center line. So this is the main difference between mirror and then symmetric component. The next option we are having is translate option. I'll be deleting this. Here let me take a simple circle. So translate option is used to get a linear pattern in the sketch format. So let me show how to use this. I'll be selecting a curve first. Then I'm going to select translate option. So here I'll be selecting number of instances I want. Say for example 5. And I'll be selecting a center point. Say this is my center point. That is the base point. Here you can see my 5 instances have been copied up. That is the 5 patterns have been created. So here you can specify the distance between each. Say for example, I'll be giving it as 50. Now you can see in linear way, we have got 5 components. That is 5 duplicate components with respect to the distance 50, 50, 50 in between each component. So I'll be clicking in whichever the direction I want. Say for example this, give a left mouse click. So like this we'll be using translate option. The same way we have rotate option. Rotate option is used to arrange your component in a circular manner. That is, in translate option you will be arranging your pattern in a linear way. In rotate option you will be arranging your curve in a circular fashion. So I'll be deleting this. Let us go for rotate option. Before that I'll be selecting my curve. Go for rotate. Here we'll be specifying the number of instances you want. So I'll be giving it as 10 components. And it is asking for a center point, that is hinge point. This is my hinge point. And it is asking for a center point. Say this is my center point. Now you can see 10 components have been loaded in a circular fashion. In order to arrange these 10 components at an equal angle, we will be specifying here it is 360 by 10. Give it as OK. Now you can see your 10 components have been arranged in a circular fashion at an equal angle distance. This is how we will be using a translate option. Then the next command we are having is scale option. Let us see how to use scale. I'll delete this. I'll be taking a simple profile. Say a profile like this. In order to scale this, scale is nothing but increasing or decreasing a ratio of a component. I'll be going for scale option. Let us go for scale. Here select your curve. This is your curve. And it is asking for a center point. Say somewhere here. And here you can specify the scaling factor you require. That is, if you want to increase it by 2 times, you can give it as 2. Now you can see the same sketch has been increased 2 times. So in order to decrease your component, what you will be doing is, you will be selecting a curve. Go for scale. Here you will be specifying your center point, say somewhere here. So here, instead of specifying 2, 3, 4 as your scale factor, you will be specifying 0.5, 0.25, 0.1 in a decimal fashion. Say for example, I will be giving it as 0.5 and give it as OK. So now you can see your component has been decreased by 0.5 times. So if you want to increase your component, you will be giving it as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you want to decrease your component, you will be giving it as 0.5, 0.7, 0.25 in a decimal fashion. So this is about scaling factor. The next we are having is offset option. So I will be taking a simple line in order to explain you. Like this. And also one rectangle here. First let us go to offset option. Then select your curve. So here it is asking for offset distance. Say somewhere here. And here you can specify a offset distance. Say for example 10. So now you can see a same curve has been copied to a distance of 10. Once again I will show you. Go for offset option. Select your curve and select the offset point. Like this. And here you can specify a offset distance. Say for example 20 mm. Like this you can specify your offset. The same way we try on this feature, that is rectangle. Go for offset. Select your curve. This is my curve. And here you can offset your rectangle. Say outside or else inside. I'll be giving it as outside. So this is all about modifying tools that are used in CATIA V5. So this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video.